everyone, Tim Reset here from eMiniMind, and in this video I'd like to show you how I set up my watch list to screen for stocks that make for high probability swing trades. Now most charting packages have a built-in scanning software, but I prefer to use this site here called FinViz. That's FinViz.com. So once you get your watch list set up, you can simply save the settings that we're going to talk about, and you can bookmark that page for easy retrieval each evening. So the first thing that you'll want to do is go to this FinViz.com, go over to the Screener tab, and once there, you can go over to Signal, and we're going to first select New High. And the next thing we're going to do is go over to Average Volume and pull down to over 200,000. And what this does is eliminate any stocks that could really be adversely affected by relatively small trading volume. 200,000 shares is not very many. A stock like Apple's trading in the millions of shares per day. So we want to kind of eliminate any potential adverse effects by a few positions coming into the market, and it also makes it easier to enter and exit those specific stocks. So for that reason, I use an average volume of over 200,000. And then the last setting I use is price down to over $25. That kind of helps eliminate some of the penny stocks and things. But obviously you can change this setting as you wish. And this is the basic criteria that I use to screen for relatively strong stocks that make for good long swing trading opportunities. And what you want to do is simply bookmark this page, and then each evening you can record the stocks that show up on this list. And you can do this on a notepad or in Microsoft Excel, just creating a simple list. And now changing the parameters to new low, we have a watch list set up to scan for good shorting opportunities. And the same thing, you can right click and bookmark the page and save it for review each evening. So another reason I liked this site is you can go in and add really as many criteria as you wish to screen for other factors, things like fundamental factors or technical factors as well. So there's a host of ability and possibilities that you can go in and set your parameters for. So then after a week or two of recording these stocks, you'll be ready to start pulling up the chart and all of the charts for these stocks, and you can determine which ones have pulled back and are giving good entry signals. So by using new highs and new lows, you're determining stocks that are relatively strong and relatively weak compared to the broader market. You can check out my other video titled Simple Entry Signals for Swing Trading Stocks for more specifics on the entry criteria that you can use to get in these trades. And of course, if you visit the blog over at eMiniMind.com/guide, you can download a free guide with more on trade management and position sizing and how to go about creating a trading plan. So thanks for watching. We'll talk to you again soon.